Hakatanat pulih putih jangka sorkar jela hakakat santarik mentau benai naiwing arja arpoi kala khot ia kereni ki Nonghikai Skul Kyrpad hapo shatri ka KJDSTA bat ka GHDSTEA kabalalong ha conference room main secretariat banyatai athir hakajing ki Nonghikai Skul hakabedai bat ka bai bam temen ni ka pension jong ki Nonghikai Deficit. Hadian kini kajingnya lang habaya kerens kilap hai kubor Presiden jongka KJDSTA ukular khong jira mulaong ki Nonghikai Skul Deficit Kyrpad ha shatri jongka khasi Jantia Deficit School Association lembat ka Garo Hills Deficit School Teachers and Employees Association kila Kyrpad ka sorkar jela ban pelatnya ka Arrear ka badang sateng lakum no ha shuwa ka Kristmas mentau snem arjar apaway.
We will get the
NPS.
Yeah. So we the senior teachers are all eligible for the pension benefit. VC's government is not allowing us at present now.
More than 3,000. Yeah. The government has been assured for us, and from now on, they will try to find out ways and means, and they will be sitting also how to implement as early as possible. Very difficult, maybe 1 month, 2 years. That what we request as early as possible. Kindly make materialize this demand of the association.
So how many?
This is the main issue that we are talking with the government.
So by when?
Have not given any pension or pension benefit scheme. We urge and we request the Chief Secretary and the officers of the Education Department to kindly keep the pension benefit to the deficit school teachers, because most of them, they have the barber service, dedicated service for the last 30, 35, even 40 years, but they retire with empty ended. That's why the Chief Secretary and the officers also pay attention, and they will consider for the pension for the deficit school teachers.